Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this time we have a great song here for you by Hozier and MEDUZA, and this song is called Tell It to My Heart. So we love easy and playable songs on this channel, and this one is one example of that. So we have no need for any capo on this one, but we need to look at 5 different chords. So let's start with the B minor here first. Sounds like that. On the 2nd fret you need to bar 5 strings from the A string and down, and the rest will be 4th here on the D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So that's the B minor. Next chord will be G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is A. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. The 4th chord here will be E minor. Alright, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be an A chord here, but with a C sharp in the bass. So what you do there, the easiest way is to bar the 2nd fret here from the D string and down, you can say, because we will avoid the last E here. So you can bar it all the way down if you wish there on the 2nd fret from the D string and down. And then the rest will be 4th here on the A string. That is the C sharp bass there. 4th fret on A. Sounds like that. Like I said, avoid the last E string here. So that is 5 chords there, and we will look at one strumming pattern that will work for this entire song here, and it's pretty common here on this channel. It will be down, 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 up. So if we illustrate that with a B minor, that is the 1st chord. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay? Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Like that. So, for the B minor, you will play and start to play 2 rounds of the strumming. Then 2 rounds of A. Then 3 rounds of G. And then 1 round of A again. Okay, that is 1 chord progression: B minor, A, G, and A. You will play that for 2 rounds, so. And for 2nd round. Right? Then we're still in the 1st verse here. In the lyrics, the only time you smile is in the photograph. We start here with the only 2 rounds of E minor. Then 2 rounds of B minor. Then 3 rounds of A. And then 1 round of B minor. And then you start again in the same way, 2 rounds of E minor. 2 rounds of B minor, and then 2 rounds of G, and after that comes a small break there, and a break. So that was the 1st verse. So just to repeat everything here: B minor 2 times, A 2 times, G 3 times, A 1 time. Do that over again: B minor 2 times, A 2 times, G 3 times, and A 1 time. Then it changes to E minor 2 times, B minor 2 times, A 3 times, and B minor 1 time. And then on the 2nd round of this chord progression here, E minor 2 times, B minor 2 times, and G 2 times with this break. And that leads us to the pre-chorus: Tell It to My Heart. And on heart you play B minor 2 times. Then comes this A with the C sharp in the bass 2 times. try to avoid the strumming here on the E, both the bass and the lower and the top string E here. So play in the middle of this chord. 2 rounds of that, and then comes 3 rounds of G here. Keep guessing. So when you sing guessing here, play 3 times. Then 1 time on A, and then over again. Tell It to My Heart, B minor 2 times. Then A with the C sharp 2 times. And then G 2 times with this break after. Yeah, so this pre-chorus is pretty easy. B minor 2 times, A with the C sharp in the bass 2 times, and G 3 times, and A 1 time. And then it starts all over again. B minor 2 times, A with the C sharp 2 times, and G 2 times. And that leads us to the chorus. Tell It to My Heart, still in the lyrics there. And this goes on in pretty much the same way. B minor 2 times, A with C sharp 2 times, G 3 times, and then A 1 time, and then over again. B minor 2 times, A with C sharp 2 times, and G 2 times with this break. So you see the pre-chorus and the chorus is in the same way. And then it goes on here with the post-chorus, Tell It to My Heart. So this is pretty classic here with this kind of music. It goes all over again here. B minor 2 times, A with C sharp 2 times, G 3 times, then A 1 time, and then again B minor 2 times, A with C sharp 2 times, and G 2 times with break. Yeah, so you can say you play this pre-chorus for 3 rounds, you can say, because it repeats in the chorus and also in the post-chorus. So that is how it goes. And then after that starts the second verse. It's pretty much the same as in the first verse. The only difference here is that the first chord progression here, the B minor, A, and G, it will only play 1 down, like this, for each chord. Right? Then it continues with the same chords, but with the strumming now. So yeah, like this. And so on. Yeah. So the verse is the same, except from this first chord progression there, only 1 down. And then comes the pre-chorus. Here it changes a bit from the first pre-chorus. You will play only 1 down for each chord. Otherwise, it's still the same there. And the same goes for the next final chorus and even the post-chorus there. You will play that in the same way, and it ends with this vocal part, Tell It to My Heart. And that is the title and the end of this tutorial. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. And if it was, please subscribe to this channel. Helps me a lot here to really see this growing here, the Gordon guitar. And I really appreciate all your support and your help with all this here. So keep on watching here and keep on playing, and most of all, play tune.